Did you know Heinz serves up millions of bottles of ketchup worldwide every single day? That's a lot of rich tomatoes goodness. But have you ever wondered what really goes into making that iconic ketchup? From the fields to the factory, let's dive into what's behind every bottle and see if it truly lives up to the hype. To truly appreciate Heinz ketchup, we need to step back in time to the late 19th century. The story begins with a visionary entrepreneur, Henry J. Heinz, whose journey toward creating one of the world's most popular condiments is as compelling as the product itself. Born in 1844 to German immigrant parents, Henry Heinz grew up in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, a city where he would later establish his iconic brand. His first foray into the food industry began with horseradish, a product he produced with a unique commitment to transparency and quality. In 1869, Henry Heinz established his company initially focused on pickles, vinegar, and horseradish. Unlike competitors, Heinz used clear glass bottles, allowing customers to see the purity and quality of the product inside. This emphasis on transparency and trust became a foundational value for the Heinz brand and set it apart from other companies at a time when food safety was a growing concern. It was in 1876 that Heinz introduced his now famous ketchup to the world. At that time, ketchup was not the universally recognized product it is today. Early recipes varied widely in flavor, consistency, and quality. Heinz sought to change this by creating a ketchup that was not only delicious, but also safe, reliable, and consistent. His recipe was a breakthrough combining ripe tomatoes, vinegar, sugar, salt, and a proprietary blend of spices to create a ketchup with the perfect balance of sweetness and acidity. It quickly became a staple in American households and gained a reputation for its superior taste and quality. By the early 20th century, Heinz ketchup was a national sensation. The company's quality and food safety resonated with consumers, particularly in a time when food production practices were often unregulated. Heinz's dedication to high standards extended beyond taste to include hygiene and production integrity. In 1906, the Pure Food and Drug Act was passed in the United States, and Heinz was one of the few companies to welcome this new regulation, seeing it as an opportunity to further reinforce consumer trust. Over the years, Heinz ketchup grew from a regional favorite to a global phenomenon sold in over 200 countries, with more than 650 million bottles produced annually. Its signature taste and iconic packaging have made it a beloved condiment worldwide, and it continues to hold the top spot in the ketchup industry. Today, the Heinz brand stands as a testament to Henry J. Heinz's vision of quality, integrity, and innovation, a legacy that lives on in every bottle. Now, let's dive deep into the heart of Heinz's production process and trace the ketchup's journey from farm to bottle. The journey of Heinz ketchup begins in the sun-drenched fields where Heinz's carefully cultivated tomato variety, known as the Heinz seed, is grown. Unlike typical tomatoes, Heinz tomatoes are specifically bred to achieve the perfect balance of color, flavor, and texture required for making ketchup. These tomatoes are renowned for their deep red color, natural sweetness, and thick flesh qualities that contribute to the unique taste and consistency of Heinz ketchup. Most of these tomatoes are grown in the fertile agricultural regions of California, where Heinz has developed long-term partnerships with local farmers. By working directly with these farmers, Heinz can ensure strict quality control from the very start of the production process. Each growing season begins with rigorous planning, from soil preparation and seed planting to irrigation and harvesting schedules. These tomatoes are vine-ripened, meaning they remain on the plant until they reach their peak ripeness. This approach maximizes the tomato's natural flavor and ensures that the harvested fruit is bursting with the right combination of sweetness and acidity. Sustainability is a priority for Heinz, and the company collaborates with farmers to implement eco-friendly practices in every aspect of the tomato growing process. This includes efficient water usage through drip irrigation systems, which reduce water waste by delivering moisture directly to the plant's roots. Farmers also employ crop rotation and soil health management techniques to maintain the quality of the land and promote environmental balance. Once the tomatoes reach their ideal ripeness, it's time for the harvest. Harvesting is a crucial step, as the tomatoes must be picked at the exact moment they're ready. Heinz utilizes advanced harvesting machinery to streamline this process, ensuring that the tomatoes are picked quickly and efficiently. These machines are designed to handle the fruit gently, minimizing bruising and ensuring that only the highest quality tomatoes make it to the processing facility. The speed of this process is vital. Once harvested, the tomatoes need to be processed within hours to preserve their freshness and flavor. Trucks are loaded with the freshly harvested tomatoes and promptly transported to the nearest Heinz processing facility. This rapid turnaround is critical to maintaining the quality standards that Heinz has upheld for over a century. When the tomatoes arrive at the factory, they undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove any dirt, pesticides, or other impurities. A conveyor system moves the tomatoes through multiple stages of washing, ensuring that each fruit is spotless and ready for processing. After washing, the tomatoes are sorted using state-of-the-art optical sorting technology, which scans each tomato for quality indicators like color, size, and ripeness. Any tomato that doesn't meet Heinz's strict standards is removed at this stage. This rigorous sorting process guarantees that only the best tomatoes are used in the production of Heinz ketchup. This commitment to quality control is one of the reasons Heinz ketchup has maintained its reputation for consistent flavor and texture. After sorting, the selected tomatoes are steamed to loosen their skins. This process allows for efficient removal of skins and seeds, leaving only the rich, juicy pulp. The tomatoes are then crushed and screened to separate the skins and seeds from the pulp. The resulting tomato pulp is thick and vibrant in color, capturing the essence of fresh tomatoes at their peak ripeness. The next step is to cook down the tomato pulp to create a concentrated paste. This concentration process involves reducing the water content, resulting in a thick and flavorful base that serves as the foundation for Heinz ketchup. This tomato paste is stored in sterile containers and can be kept for months, ensuring that Heinz can maintain year-round production regardless of the tomato growing season. The magic of Heinz ketchup lies not only in the tomatoes, but also in the precise combination of additional ingredients. To create the perfect ketchup, the tomato paste is blended with vinegar, sugar, salt, and a carefully selected blend of spices. The exact recipe remains a closely guarded secret, but the process ensures a harmonious balance of flavors. Heinz has mastered this formula over decades, refining it to achieve the rich, tangy, and slightly sweet profile that defines Heinz ketchup. Once the ingredients are mixed, the mixture is slow-cooked in massive stainless steel kettles. This cooking process is essential to the final flavor profile of Heinz ketchup. The heat allows the ingredients to meld together, creating a smooth, homogeneous mixture with a deep red color and robust taste. The cooking process also helps achieve the thick consistency that Heinz ketchup is known for, ensuring it clings perfectly to fries, burgers, and other foods. Every batch of ketchup undergoes extensive quality testing to ensure it meets Heinz's rigorous standards. The ketchup is tested for several key qualities, including taste, color, texture, and acidity. One unique aspect of Heinz's quality control process is the Boswick measurement, a test that measures the thickness of the ketchup. Heinz ketchup has a specific level of viscosity that ensures it's thick enough to stay on food, but smooth enough to pour. In addition to these standard tests, Heinz employs sensory panels, where trained testers evaluate the ketchup's flavor profile to ensure it aligns with the brand's signature taste. Any batch that fails to meet Heinz's high standards is reworked or discarded, ensuring that only the best product reaches consumers. With quality assurance complete, the ketchup is ready for bottling. Heinz's bottling process is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to fill bottles quickly and efficiently while maintaining the integrity of the product. The ketchup is pumped into bottles that have been sterilized to maintain freshness. Each bottle is sealed to prevent contamination, ensuring that the ketchup inside remains as fresh as the day it was made. Heinz has always been at the forefront of packaging innovation. In the early days, Heinz ketchup was sold in glass bottles, which allowed consumers to see the quality of the product. In 1983, Heinz introduced the now iconic upside-down squeeze bottle, a revolutionary design that made it easier for customers to get every last drop of ketchup out of the bottle. This commitment to convenience has helped Heinz maintain its place as a leader in the condiment industry. Each bottle is labeled with batch codes for traceability, allowing Heinz to monitor the production process from start to finish. The bottles are then boxed and shipped to stores around the world, ready to be enjoyed by millions of people. So, next time you pour Heinz ketchup on your fries or burger, remember it's more than just a condiment. It's the result of over a century of dedication to quality, innovation, and a unique flavor experience. Whether you're a ketchup connoisseur or just love adding a dash of flavor to your meals, one thing's for certain, Heinz ketchup is here to stay. Let us know your favorite way to enjoy Heinz ketchup in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite foods. See you next time.